Hello, this is Crypto CJ. Welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm going to be talking about my results in the past week using the new and improved AA score and Altcoin Alert, and specifically a trade I made this morning in the Holo coin, ticker symbol HOT, H-O-T, and I got my crypto grill background today. Kind of cool. All right, let's go to the chart. So it's around 8 in the morning, and got a really nice AA score from Altcoin Alert. On second thought, let's look at that real quick. See if it's still there. It is. Holo chain, hot, 88.9. Mine was a bit higher. It was 96.8. Let's look at this real quick. So here's where I was looking this morning at around 8 o'clock. As you can see, the sentiment score, this white line, is quite a bit higher than the actual price. And this is what I'm looking for when I'm evaluating AA scores. We get the sentiment above the actual price, and that's an indication, at least in my interpretation, what I've learned so far, that this coin has room to move. So I get in right about here. I've got a candles trending above the SMA line, a little closer than I would like, but it just come out of a slight dip sequence, and this was actually an all-time high for the token at the time. So anyway, it's bouncing off this. I get in at this level here, 0.0200278, 8:41 a.m. AA score 96.8. So regarding an exit, I'm going to switch over here to the hour chart. This black line indicates where I was looking at the time I was looking. And I don't really have a retrace to help me determine an exit point. I've got a slight one here, but the way this coin's been moving lately, I think it's going to go beyond this. So I go to my fib-based extender, which is this tool here, trend-based fib extension. And I decide to start my extension here. So I click once, go to the high at the time, which is here. And I drop down to where I started for my third click. And then I get this 1.272, and this is really what I'm looking for. This is where a lot of traders who use this tool will exit at this point. So for that reason, I set my exit point about halfway in between the 1.272 and the high. So right around 0.0219. So that's where I set my exit, and have a really nice result. Coin goes sideways and takes a sharp spike up. I am out of this at 0.0219 at 11:39. I've got a 9.238% profit in 2 hours. Love that. So, and then regarding the fib extension, had I stayed in longer, it actually did go all the way up to the 1.272 level. A few hours later, but 9% in 2 hours. I'm quite content with that as a day trader. That's one of the better trades I've had using the new AA scores. They've been in effect since March 26th. I'm making this video on the Friday afternoon on April 2nd. So right about a week. And so far, I'll just go ahead and talk about my results. Made a little cheat sheet here. In the latter part of March, I had 14 trades, 13 were profitable. I've got one still open. That's a 4.22%. I have a 4.22% profit average on those 13 trades that have resolved. And then in April, yesterday and today, I made 5 trades, 3 resolved for 5.3% average profit. I have 2 still open. So I'm very happy with the results I'm seeing and the Altcoin Alert and the new AA score. I'm very curious to see how this performs when the market goes sideways or more bearish. I might do some more shorting type trades when that happens, using the bear and the down tokens in FTX and Binance. I've talked about those many times, but so far so good with a new AA score. So that's all I have for today's trade of the day. Please stay tuned. Please stay tuned for additional messages and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. They help support this channel. Have a good weekend. I'll see you next week. Please, if you're on my email list, you should get on that to attend my Monday night Zoom. I'll talk to you then. Thanks. Bye.